Ayan ang bias mo.
Oh, my bias is Beanie.
Mika, bakit?
She's my first love in Beanie.
Oh, how did you find out about Beanie?
On Twitter.
On Twitter. So, what are you looking forward tonight?
Of course, Beanie and Donda.
Saan kayo nakaupo? Malayo?
Malayo po, 170.
Sana mamili kayo ng mas malapit.
Late po kasi.
Late kayo. O sige. Ikaw, taga saan ka?
Hi, I'm Princess. I'm from Texas.
From Texas?
Yeah.
You mean-
to watch Beanie.
You flew all the way from Texas? Which, saan sa Texas?
Houston.
Houston. Oh my gosh. So, are you staying a hotel here?
We're staying on a BNB po with the other rooms.
Okay. O siya, sige, enjoy kayo ha.